The best way to learn Forex trading. If you've looked into trading foreign exchange online and feel it could be an opportunity to make money, you may wonder about the best way to get started. It's important to have an understanding of the markets and methods for Forex trading. That way, you can better manage your risk, make winning trades, and set yourself up for success in your new venture. How to get educated about Forex. To trade effectively, it's critical to get a Forex education. Spend some time reading up on how Forex trading works, making Forex trades, active Forex trading times, and managing risk, for starters. There are plenty of websites, books, and other resources you can take advantage of to learn more about Forex trading. As you may learn over time, nothing beats experience, and if you want to learn Forex trading, experience is the best teacher. When you first start out, you can open a Forex demo account and try out some dry run trading. It will give you a good technical foundation on the mechanics of making Forex trades, as well as help you get used to working with a specific trading platform.